Hello friends, this is your trading coach Pratik Kaul, and let's look at how Nifty 50 performed today, that is 10th of April. Okay, so दोस्तों आज का दिन तो बहुत ही it was volatile. I have taken the trade today myself and it was actually pretty good. It was a good time to make money, but जिस तरीके से last में the Nifty tanked, so that again ensures कि the uncertainty is still there in the market. इससे पहले एक बार लेट्स चेक द ग्लोबल इंडिसेस. एक बार लेट्स गो टू मनी कंट्रोल. मनी कंट्रोल में चेक करते हैं कि क्या क्या हुआ. So if you look at the Sensex, so Nifty 50 is slightly higher, but that the reason only for that is that because there was a gap up opening. Otherwise, we know that Nifty did not show any kind of strength today. If you look at BSE Sensex, that is also slightly increased. But Nifty Bank, if you look clearly, you have got the message, down by 0.5%. Similarly, if you look at Nifty IT, it is slightly higher, but other indices have shown a moderate increment. Now let's go to the advanced decline, which shows कि हमारे net buyers और sellers में कौन ज़्यादा भारी रहा. So we can clearly see that most of the financial institutions were net sellers. Net sellers इसलिए ज़्यादा थे because you can see the green mark is more than the red mark. तो ज़्यादा हमारे net seller जो net buyers थे वो थे हमारे institution. So हमारी बाइंग ज़्यादा हुई है आज, डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट दैट हमारा निफ्टी लास्ट में थोड़ा सा गिरा है, विच वी विल टॉक अबाउट लेटर. एक बार ग्लोबल इंडिसेस को देखते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ द ग्लोबल इंडिसेस आर परफॉर्म. सो इफ़ यू लुक एट डाउ जोन्स, S&P 500, नैस्डैक, तीनों में आप देखेंगे एक गिरावट हुई है. सो दिस इज़ मोर गिविंग अ मोर क्लियरर पिक्चर देन द निफ्टी, बिकॉज निफ्टी का जो राइज है that is something was a gap of. But if you look at the Dow Jones and other indices of US markets, you can see it is come down. Although as per the technical rating it's bullish, but let's see what happens in the coming days, because अभी वो job market का unemployment data जो आना था, as per that the unemployment rate is high, and there is also news that the interest rate might be spiked again. So while there are reports that new jobs have been added, but overall claims of unemployment have been risen. So that is why the unemployment job data is looking a little weak. But let's see in coming days what happens. European markets को अगर हम देखेंगे तो for the European markets it was positive only, and तीनों का ही positive था, ठीक है. 1.02% and this is 0.5%, so meager rise. If you look at Asian markets, अपना SGX Nifty again it is negative, कल भी negative था. Nikkei is positive and Hang Seng, if you look at Hang Seng is also positive. ठीक है, we are more concerned about SGX Nifty, वो तो अभी नेगेटिव ही है. सो कल देखते क्या होता है. अगर एक बार डाउ जोन्स इंडस्ट्रियल देखते हैं, व्हाट इज़ इट राइट नाउ, सो ये भी अभी पॉजिटिव ही चल रहा है. ओके, सो गाइस, मैं डाउ जोन्स को बहुत ही प्रेफरेंस देता हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन दैट डाउ जोन्स इंडस्ट्रियल डेटा हैज़ अ वेरी डायरेक्ट बेयरिंग. कभी कभी उल्टा भी होता है कि डाउ जोन्स पॉजिटिव निकलता है और हमारा निफ्टी टैंक्स. बट 6 out of 10 cases I've seen what Dow Jones does, the same is reflected in the Indian indices. अब हम देखते हैं हमारे टॉप गेनर्स और लूजर्स कौन थे. So you look at Tata Motors, ONGC, Grasim, they are the top gainers, right? And if you look at the top, एक मिनट की इसमें ये देखते हैं 5% gain in Tata Motors, that's impressive. 4.35 and 2.47. Actually that's great. Wipro is also in the list. After a long time we are seeing Wipro. That is obviously good news for people holding Wipro stocks. If you look at the top losers, you will see Bajaj Finance, Tata Consumer Product and Hindustan Unilever. So these three are pretty strong stocks. So ठीक है, it's a part of the cycle. हो गया, they are loser for one day, so I am sure they will bounce back. अब if we look at commodities में gold, silver, crude oil, all the three have slumped a bit, but it's not really that major, but yeah, it has slumped. Now I wanted to see 52-week high and low. I don't know what they have changed. Let me just check. मैं हटा दिया. I'm not able to see where it is now. I think they've changed the layout. Used to show, it's not showing. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me go to the Indian indices. So guys, in case some of you are looking at this video for first time, Money Control is a very good site. You get a lot of data, get a lot of ready-made interpretations which are very useful if you want to do trading. And plus यहाँ से you also get a lot of stocks. आपको trading के लिए बड़े अच्छे stocks मिल सकते हैं यहाँ से. So I would highly advise, in my personal opinion, this is very good and you should refer to this site. Baki, if you are using some other site, that is also fine. But just in case, you want to have a consensus on this site, it's a very good site. चलिए कोई नहीं, let's go back to Nifty and अभी हम daily time frame से shift करते हैं 5 minutes के time frame पे, along with a indicator of moving average. So that is going to give us a little sense. So let's see. So here 10th March, first 5 minutes itself was giving you a state of what is going to happen. पहले ही आपका एक ये doji formation हुई है, long doji. Then if you see it kind of decrease and then increase and then decrease. So from here it finally took off. यहाँ से था यहाँ तक before showing its volatility over here. After showing a volatility here, it finally managed to give a good uptrend, ठीक है, and 62 points, which is good. And again the way it went up, उससे ज़्यादा sharp तो इसका fall हुआ है, 83 points fall. From here it gained 63 and here it lost 83, right? So it has actually, if you see, it has come back to the previous level over here, although it's slightly closed above, but the way it started, you see this gap up. If there was not a gap up, we would have ended up lower, ठीक है. यहाँ पे तो इसका closing हुआ है, so it's almost to the pre 10th April level. But it was a good day for people who have who must have bought call because of this and put over here. जिसने कॉल यहाँ पे लिया होगा तो उसका पैसा बना होगा, जिसने पुट लिया होगा उसका तो और भी धमाकेदार पैसा बना होगा, ठीक है. बट यू सी लॉट ऑफ uncertainty again that is being reflected here. So the good thing is that it is still at this level. It is a good support on which it is holding. अगर ये support break नहीं होता है तो then there is a chance that it would go up. So let's look at from the daily time frame, what can we deduce from it. यहाँ पे अगर आप जाओगे, let's remove this. Oh no, indicators, the drawings, okay. Let me just pull it up. So it's important that if the Nifty has to show some strength, वो इस level को break करे. It has to break this level of 17,782. इसको अगर break करेगा, I think then is when you can expect the index to show some kind of strength. जब एक बार ऊपर जाके retrace करके फिर जब ऊपर जाएगा, I think तब एक उसकी positive journey start हो जाएगी. But अगर ये कल retrace हो जा, sorry, ये कल it shows a downward movement in the first 15 minutes, I think then the stock can go down and you can decide to short it also. आप फिर एक पुट को बाई कर सकते हैं. अगर फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स की कैंडल अगर रेडिश हुई है तो उसके बाद आप नीचे जा सकते हैं, यहाँ पे यू कैन शॉर्ट इट. बट इफ़ द फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स गोज अप एंड इट इज़ एबल टू ब्रेक दिस, विच सीम्स अनलाइकली, बट अगर करता है तो आई थिंक देन यू शुड गो फॉर अ दिस थिंग बाई पोजिशन, ठीक है. देन यू कैन बाई अ कॉल. But maybe it might not happen tomorrow. It could be possible कि tomorrow the market is a bit sideways, like this, like this, like this. बहुत there is a good chance that it is sideways. Probably it may end up lower also. व्हाट आई फील पर्सनली कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इट इज़ गोइंग टू एंड लोअर कंस्ट्रिंग व्हाट वी हैव सीन ओवर हियर, बिकॉज इफ़ यू रिमेंबर हमने जब ये देखा था, लेट्स गो बैक हियर, okay, it is showing something else here. Just a moment, कहाँ गया? Considering this, what we saw, that there is a downtrend over here, so I think उसकी वजह से that is the reason why I'm saying that it might kind of go down. It might not go down too much, but हाँ, ये है कि it can go flat and then go down a little bit. अगर हमारा जो निफ्टी है, if it breaks this important support zone, this is a very important support zone, 17,394, then there is a chance it can further break, and उसके बाद the next level it will take support on is 17,151. ठीक है, so if it breaks 17,394, उसके बाद चांस है that it can further go to 17,151 और वहाँ पे सपोर्ट ले सकता है. उसके बाद क्या हो सकता है, then that we have to see in the coming days, but for now this is what the forecast looks like. Otherwise, like I said, that if it breaks 17,782, then there is a strong chance that the index is showing strength. There is a good sentiment in the market. Probably we are done with the interest rate and unemployment issues, and now the market can start to show a strength. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी. तो कल के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू इंश्योर इज फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स, अगर गैप अप नॉर्मल हुआ फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स, अगर बुलिश कैंडल फॉर्म होती है, देन यू कैन डिसाइड टू एंटर द ट्रेड एंड बाय अ कॉल. अगर गैप डाउन होता है और फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स आपका बेरिश आता है कैंडल, फिर आप एक पुट को बाय कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डिसाइड टू गो एंड शॉर्ट इट. Gap up, I don't think it will happen tomorrow, but in case it happens tomorrow, then again you have to wait for the first 15 minutes for the candle to form, and accordingly you have to take a decision. ठीक है, but it may also happen कि first 15 minutes के action के बाद एक sharp retracement हो जाए. So you have to either wait for that retracement or you can continue to be invested. ठीक है, but you will have to keep a stop loss in that case. चलिए, let's see, let's catch up tomorrow and hope for the best. Take care guys, bye.